Welcome to the Best 5-Minute Wine Podcast with Forrest Kelly.
I'm always excited. I think my dream is to talk to Bravo and get a top chef on there and get him or her to put their recipes on there is a dream of mine. And then other than the wine events, to post a wine event right now is free, but we will easily monetize that once we get more users. There's also direct messaging. So right now, a winery can, or wine business, I should say, can go on to the app and do a direct message and message all of our users and say, hey, check out our wine, and at checkout, go hit WineLikes 10 and get 10% off. And they can do that. If you took the wine palette and it says you like Pinot Noir, a winery who just specializes in Pinot Noir can message just Pinot Noir drinkers. So it's more advanced, so they can target those. We do have a newsletter, so they can come on to our newsletter as well that goes out to all of our users. And then I don't know if you're familiar with MySpace, or what used to be MySpace, and everyone had to be friends with Tom. And everyone has to be friends with WineLikes app. So everyone follows the WineLikes app, technically me or the team when it is. And so a winery we can spot if we like your wine or wine business, we can also do a sponsored post as well. So we will suggest your business. So those are a few ways we have monetized the app.
At WineLikes.com, I see where you're talking special offers on wines you love, then your personal seller to keep track of your favorite bottles, and that'll help with the discounts too. Correct. When you can see what people are putting in their cellar.
Yeah, and I think during our research, and sorry, I forgot to mention the other way we monetize is wineries, or I always say wineries, wine business can sponsor the game. So like we say, Wine Dole. If your winery starts with 5 to 7 letters, you can say, all right, I want to have it as a word of the day. And what happens is once the users win the game, link pops up for your website, and you can say in the message, congratulations on winning. Go to such and such website and get 10% off with the promo code WineLikes10. So that's a way. You can also sponsor quizzes. You can wineries can make their own quizzes as well. And then we're looking into how they can also come on to the bingo board as well.
How about just for fun here we've covered everything, right?
We did. I believe so.
What's the weirdest food? Within the app, you can tell what users do, right? You can kind of track them?
Yeah, I can. Yes, I can track them. Yes.
Mildly see what their activities. We'll use the word mildly, just not so people don't freak out. What's the oddest food that someone's tried to pair with a wine? Have you come across that where it's like, what?
I think it's never the protein, it's always the sauce. The sauce is where it's like, you can do, a lovely duck breast. And then usually you do a blueberry sauce. And then I've seen I've done a raspberry sauce. And I'm like, ooh, that's really tart. And I'm like, how am I going to pair that wine? A wine with, raspberries, which, it goes great with a light red wine. But then it just X's out all of the white wines pretty much.
Have you ever used WineLikes, the app, to settle a wine debate at a party?
No, I've just used it to show off.
There you go. That's pretty good flex, isn't it? Okay, so as we close it out, just so that I can kind of elevator pitch it, tell everybody why they should download the app and the benefits and where they can go, and mention the website.
Why you should download the WineLikes app, because if you'd like to sip, socialize, and share, that's what the WineLikes app is all about. And if you like to just play games, then definitely download the app, because you can play wine games while sipping on wine. And you can easily go to www.winelikes.com, and there you can find the links to download, whether you're on Android or Apple, I should say.
Thank you very much, Jeff.
Thank you, Forrest. I appreciate it.
The Best 5-Minute Wine Podcast.
Don't forget my favorite part.
Oh, please like and follow.
And you can like and follow us on our social media and join in our collaborations, just like our website, thebestwinepodcast.com, on Insta, X, you know where, The Best Wine Pod. The Best Wine Pod.